from the surface of the water. See, that's not what they're doing right now. Having lots of fun in there, see? Thank you very much. And Pedro, you caught a big fish. Really? Pull it up. Not really, Pedro. Look closely. Not a fish, but a plastic bag. Well, did you know that many of these birds are dying in the wild because of man-made pollution like these? So the next time when you go to the beach for a picnic or you can swim, do not litter. Something as simple as that. Do not litter because some marine animals, for example turtles, they have been known to eat up plastic bags and die as a result. Not a very good thing to happen. So everyone remember you can do your part for this very beautiful bird. All your friends are in a hurry to make their way back home. So we have one more. They love fishing in that pond because occasionally it does get some live fish. Out here, all your friends have already gone back home. That's right. They went that way, over there. Follow your friends now. There you go. Pedro, not you. Wait! We have to set a good example. I just told everyone, do not litter. I need you to bring this back and recycle it. Yeah! Shall we give them a big round of applause? Pedro and our partners. Well done. Next we have a very talented parrot coming out. This one is especially talented at mimicking. Mimicking is the pumping of sounds which they hear around them very often. Thank you, Rishan. Now to be precise, that is a yellow-naped Amazon. Can you say hello? Hello! It's such a nice voice. Tell everyone here your name. Oh God. Let's try that again. Concentrate. Tell them your name. Amigo! Like that. His name is Amigo. One more time. Okay, speak louder, please. Tell them your name. Amigo! Much better! Amigo! How else can you reach all these nice people? How are you? How are you feeling today? Fine, that's nice to hear. Thank you for asking what you're all feeling great. He's going to impress all of you by counting first from 1 to 10 in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. That was a perfect 10. Now people in France especially, do you see the parrot's big move as he was counting? Yeah, I'm not a ventriloquist, okay? It's going to count 1 more time in another language, Chinese. Yeah. Can you count this as well in Chinese? 很好 is very good in Mandarin. Now besides counting, parrots like Amigo love to sing. Now before he sings, he's going to warm up a little by singing just a line in Japanese. One more time in Japanese. Oh, very melodious. That simply means please wait for a moment. Now, Amigo, let's move on to some full songs. Okay, the first one will be a local children's song, 客人来. A guest comes to visit. Can you sing that song, please? Sing in Mandarin. Okay, birds do that when they are nervous. You hear that? He's growling. Amigo, why are you growling? I don't see anything in the sky. Sometimes when eagles fly past, he gets distracted. Amigo, is it okay? Have you forgotten the words? 客人来，爸爸爸，爸爸不在家. That was me trying to refresh his memory. Amigo, I know you can do it. Can you sing the song in Mandarin? Mandarin. Can't remember. Still growling. Okay, we'll give him a few seconds to settle down. It just goes to show that we are not playing a tape recorder. Amigo is doing it live. Yeah? So when he refuses to sing, you can't force him. Sometimes birds get stage fright too. Amigo, are you composed now? Stop looking up. As I told them how good you are at singing, can we sing the song in Mandarin? good. Okay, never mind. We'll give him a break. I think he wants to sing a Malay song. The Malay song is Rasa Sayang, Feelings of Love. Okay, so how about singing the Malay song then? Rasa Sayang. Rasa Sayang. Rasa Sayang. Lihat bola tahu. Sayang. Sayang. So, Rocky, what are you doing on stage, Rocky? Is that so? Everyone, today is Rocky's birthday! Happy birthday, Rocky! Okay, amigo, how about singing a birthday song for Rocky then? Can you do that? Everyone listen now, okay? Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Wait. Rocky, wait. Let's do that from the top. Amigo, stop frowning. Okay, wait. Oh, everyone, can you look up? Can you see that little black speck in the sky? That's how good Amigo's eyesight is. This is a small speck, but he thinks he's coming out to get him for lunch. Amigo, it's okay. Amigo, in the middle of the birthday song, you see Rocky's birthday. Let's try that one more time, okay? One more time. Sing it properly, the whole song. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. That's how it should be. Thank you, amigo. That was special, isn't it? The bird singing you a birthday song. Thank you. Alright, amigo, you can go back home now. Don't bother about the amigo. Can you say bye-bye to everyone? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Alright, can you